Class 1 EVS. Okay, let's start now. So previous day we have started the chapter My Sense Organs. I taught you. Okay, now I taught you only sense organs previous day. Now can you tell me what are the sense organs we have and how many sense organs we have? Tell me. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. This one I taught you. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. See the eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. Clear? So today we'll start from here. Write the date. So level all the 5 sense organs in the image below. You will level it. Ear, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. Skin can be any part. Okay? Clear? Because your cheeks also has a skin. So what will be here? You write the names here. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay? This you can level. You can do by yourself. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Our cheeks also has a skin, so we can write a skin. Clear? This one is very easy now. Let's see the functions of the sense organs now. What our sense organ do for us? Functions of the sense organs. Now, eyes. I see with my eyes. My eyes help me to read books, watch TV and see things around. Okay? What do you do with the eyes? See. Eyes help us to see things. Eyes help us to read books. Okay? Eyes help us to watch TV and see all the things around us. This is the function of eyes. So eyes help us to see. Clear? Let's turn the page. Next. Ears. I hear sound with my ears. My ears help me hear soft as well as loud sound. Clear? So, ears help us to, I hear sound. Okay, ear help us to hear the sound. Okay, I hear sound with my ears. It helps me to hear soft sound as well as loud sound. Soft music as well as loud noises also. All ears help us to do. Nose. I smell with my nose. My nose helps me to breathe air and smell things. We all smell with our nose. Our nose helps us to breathe and smell things also. Good smell, bad smell, okay? And it helps us to breathe also. If you are not able to breathe, we will die. Okay? Next is tongue. I taste food with my tongue. I taste food with my tongue. My tongue helps me taste bitter, sour, salty and sweet food. It also helps me to speak. Now, what is the work of tongue? Tongues help me to taste food. Tongues help me to taste food with my tongue. It also helps me to speak. Tongues help us to taste and speak. Now, tongues help us to taste food. How? Whether the food is bitter, whether the food is sour, salty and sweet. Sweet, you know, it's sweet. Chocolates are sweet. Salty is anything salt type, too much, that is salty. Bitter is very bad smell. And no one likes to have the bitter. Medicines are bitter. Okay? Bottle gourd, not bitter gourd is bitter. Sour is lemon. Lemon taste is sour. Okay? Clear? So bitter gourd is bitter taste. Neem leaves a bitter taste. Okay? Sour is lemon taste. Salty is salt. You know how is the taste of salty, and sweet chocolates are sweet, so sweet taste. Okay? They are 4 type of taste. Okay? The tongue help us to say us what food tastes how. Okay? Clear? Now next is skin. I feel things with my skin by touching them. Okay? You feel things whether it is hot, cold, with what? With your skin by touching the things. My skin helps me feel hard, soft, rough, hot and cold things. Your skin help you to feel whether anything is soft, hard, hot, cold. By touching it you can feel. Okay? So who help us to do? Skin help us to do all these things. Skin, I feel with my skin and by touching them. Okay? Touch is the first sense to develop in humans. Okay? Now in our human body, touch sense develop very fast. Okay? Touch is the first sense that we get. Touch. Okay? Now let us revise once. Chapters over. So, how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. What are they? eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now, what does our eyes help us to do? Function of eyes. Eyes help us to see. It helped me to see things, read books, watch TV, okay? Next is ears. Ears help me to hear sound. I hear sound with the help of ears. It helps me to hear soft sound as well as loud sound. Nose helps me to smell and breathe. Smell good, smell bad smell, and it helps me to breathe. Tongue helps me to taste food with my tongue. I taste food with my tongue. Okay, and it helps me to speak also. Tongue helps to taste food and speak. Clear? Skin. With skin we feel things. Okay, I feel things with my skin by touching them. Skin helps me feel hard, soft, rough, hot and cold things. Okay, now skin helps me to feel things. Clear? Now guess the sense organs in this riddle. Okay, now you will do this one by yourself. You will guess the sense organs in this riddle. You will do by this one. This one will be your homework. Guess the sense organs in the riddle. Riddle means puzzle type of things. Raindrops and mummy's kiss on my face. Feeling them is what I do. Who am I? This one you will do by yourself. Apple and lollipops too. Tasting them is what I do. Who am I? Tripping birds and buzzing bees. Hearing them. What I do. Who am I? Sunny skies and moving trees. Watching them is what I do. Who am I? Yummy pizza and lovely jasmine. Smelling them with what I do. Okay. See, raindrops and mummy's kiss on my face. So feeling. Feel means what? Skin. It will be skin. Apple and lollipops. Tasting them. You tasting them. Okay. So what will it will be? Tongue. Apples and lollipop taste. Chirping birds and buzzing bee. Hearing. Hearing will be ears. Sunny skies and moving trees. Watching means, so how do you watch? With your eyes. So you will write your eyes. Yummy pizza and lovely jasmine. Smelling. Here smell means nose. Clear? Skin, tongue, ears, eyes and nose. Clear? This one you will write by yourself. Okay? Skin. Feeling will be skin. Tasting tongue, hearing ears, watching eyes, smelling nose. This one you do by yourself. Okay? I just read it for today. This much. Okay? The chapter is clear. It's very easy. This one you will read the puzzles and you will do by yourself. You have to write the sense organs here. See, guess the sense organs. You have to write the sense organs here. And we have finished sense organs. It's a very simple chapter and easy chapter. Okay. There are 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose help us to smell. And tongues help us to taste. And skin, we feel things with skin. This one you do by yourself. Level the sense organ. All the sense organs you level it. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Skin can be any part. So you do by yourself this one. Okay. Clear? It's a very easy chapter for today. This much. And this one will be your homework. Next day I'll do the exercise. Okay. Thank you.